from the weather gonna start up. Route 66, man, always busy traffic. Yeah, busy down here today. Nowhere to park. This is downtown Middletown, Connecticut. Juicy Cajun Seafood Restaurant over there. Always busy down here. Can't get no place to park most time. At least have some right here today. William Street. Yeah, it's a nice church. Yeah guys, just giving you a tour of my city, Middletown, Connecticut. It's a beautiful city, so if you guys are on this side of the world, just come visit. You really enjoy it. Next time I'll take you down by the river and stuff like that. You can see what it's like. Alright, continue watching. Yeah man, riding out on bugs with a bug again, you know. rolling like a beetle. It's a beetle anyway. Yeah. Rolling like a beetle. Yeah. That's the way it should go. Springtime now, things gonna change. All this thing gonna get green again. I'm pretty for the summer, so that's good. I can't wait for that. Advanced Auto Parts. That's where you get all the good parts. Some food to do my cooking in here. Now we're leaving the store, food store, and going to the other side to take care of some business. Yeah, I went to the food store, but I didn't really do anything inside the store. Alright, so we're on our trip to the next side. Alright. Saturday though, but it's a good day. Mario's Pizza. man, it's a beautiful day today, man. It's not too cold and not really hot, but it seems like it want to rain though. Seems like it want to rain. Clouded. Yeah. And I want to cook some food today. Yeah, I'm gonna get some snack first. This is other side of Middletown, Connecticut. South Main Street. One of the busy streets around here too. Get me some McDonald's now. Yeah, I want a fish sandwich and number 2 the quarter pounder.
2 quarter pounders?
No. Number 2 A.
Oh, okay.
Right, and 2 apple pies.
Alright.
Yeah, that's.
Make sure we have 2 apple pies. Alright, yeah, you're good.
Alright.
Do you want a quarter pounder of cheese, a 4 fish, and 2 apple pies?
Yes.
That'll be $14.03.
Alright.
Cheese and a fish fillet?
Yeah. I can't remember to use my points. I got a lot of points. Yeah.
You get your receipt?
Yes. Thank you.
Nice, sir.
All right. Thank you, man. All right. Heading back home now. Go home now. Get me some things organized. Yeah, you know. Yeah. So I just want you guys to see what it looked like in my little town, and I really enjoy living here. It's a beautiful city, you know. Yeah, I really love it. Yeah. Weather crazy sometimes though. Sometimes it got snow, sometimes rain, sometimes breeze, you know, but just gotta learn to live with it. Yeah, I have to learn to live with it at times. Yeah. Alright, so just travel with me while I'm on my journey. This is Keyless One. Giving you a little tour, make you know what everything look like and what it's like around here. So please subscribe to my channel. You know, I've been trying to get some subscribers, and I want to go to like about 60 or 80 subscribers for now. Trying to climb up, you know. So I'm asking you guys to just push that subscribe button and a like and a thumbs up and comments, you know, comment in the channel, let me know what I'm doing wrong at times, you know. Just say something, you know, I'll respond to your request or anything like that, you know. Yeah. All right. Come on. Yeah. All right. All right. Love it, man. Love it. Yeah. All right. They call my car a punch wagon. It's a Volkswagen Beetle. Boy, it's a punch wagon. Whoa. Let me rip. we home.